What's going on, you guys? It's me, Alps, and tonight we are gonna be making some unfortunate video. A video that we are always fear. And tonight, my favorite keyboard slash project is dead. So we lost a Dell key. We lost Alps mechanical keyboard tonight, and I think I shouldn't even be filming this. People could be making fun of me and say, why would you videotaping a keyboard that just died tonight? Well, this keyboard, this one, it's my project keyboard that I recently built because the old Matias board, the board is not in good shape, so I put it in the Dell quiet key, which in better shape. Though I have some marks in here, so I hide it. But now this just not working. I'm gonna go show you my project keyboard right now, and then after that we will have funeral on those keyboard, and I'm gonna show them, pay them respect to Alps keyboard because I love them so much, better than Cherry Max bullshit. So there it is. So this morning, 2 days ago, I tried to replace a new click leaf because this does not click so good, and now doesn't even work. After I did it, it gave me all that bullshit right there. Oh, see, you can't control A and this thing anymore. You can still do some of this, not all of them. Now, let me try ASDF, okay? Look. No A, the S, the F, no G, H, J. See? It's don't type all the letter. And that's telling me something, that this keyboard will not be working ever again. Hey, at least the blue Alps still works. Then see the switch, see? So that means not gonna work ever again. And I'm kinda sad about that because this is my favorite keyboard in my house. Anything better than that is a not get on my key. And I don't know. I want you to see if there's something wrong with this. I don't know. Could that be a problem? Then look at over here. The board are in decent shape though. I don't know what's wrong with it. I can't type all the goddamn letter on this keyboard. This is not a good thing, you guys. Look at it. Look at how clicky it is. Look at that. This is why I love this keyboard. This thing been with me since 2003, and in 2020 I changed it to use on a Dell quiet key, and now they broken. Now I have to use a modern gaming keyboard piece of shit from Cherry. I don't want to do that. Maybe that is being stopped. Look at how clicky this keyboard is. I tried to make them clicky today and now it's not working. What does that mean? That means I have to go to the dumpster and find a not get on my key. This is not good news, guy. I'm gonna set up a funeral after this now. So here we are. We set up a funeral for my favorite mechanical keyboard of all time. I wouldn't I wouldn't do this on a membrane keyboard whatsoever when they die. But for this keyboard, it's a special one, and I want to do them good. They die, so what else? What else do I do? I bring my IBM Model M and Sega Scorpius and Cherry ML keyboard to pay a respect to my favorite keyboard. So I'm gonna say it first. Oh, Matias and Alps, you two working together to making one of my favorite keyboard. I've been using in Blue Alps in 1991, then White Alps in 96. Then I started using your keyboard in 2003 with Superfly Alps. And yeah, that is the original case you were born in. And when this thing fall apart, I give you a new house in my Dell quiet key. And then when you're not feeling good, I changed you into a new kick leaf so you will sound better. But then you die on me. It's a sad night for me. I've been using your keyboard since 2003. I've been using an Elf branded keyboard since 1987. And I've been using Norget Omiki, actually. And now we have to deal with a modern piece of shit gaming keyboard from Corsair Logitech. Because this thing are beyond exist. It's not gonna exist too much nowadays. Elves are made to be typing with the speed. Elf switch are meant to be typing fast. Elf are meant to be membrane killer. And elf are meant to piss people off with their clicky noises. And Matias, if Matias doesn't exist, no one ever gonna know what elf is. Oh Dell, why are you ditching the AT101 for quiet key? I mean, rip, man. Rest in peace. I'm probably need to go find a new keyboard from Recycle Center again. Or I don't know about Hero Run. Gonna do something about this. But I'm doing a funeral because this keyboard is special to my heart. I've been using this for a long time. I can't believe I waste my time modding this keyboard to make it clicky and then it stopped working. IBM, good job. Good job. Give some respect to my keyboard, to my favorite mechanical keyboard. Can I type on your keyboard next? Yes. Yeah, what should we do with your dead elf keyboard? I don't know. Should we burn them? But I don't think so. You can't burn a plastic. Well, I don't know. Maybe Thomas can help me fixing this to revive my dead keyboard. God, without this keyboard, I cannot be addicted to keyboard like what I did now. I wouldn't have this. Without this Alps mechanical keyboard, I wouldn't have Model M. I wouldn't have Sega. I wouldn't have Cherry. And yeah. I'm so pissed off right now. And I'm so sad that this keyboard died on me tonight. Rest in peace. I love you. I love you to death. I love any moment I press this button. But now you're dead. We gonna miss you, Matthias, and Dell, and Alps. And yeah, so where should we bury this keyboard at? I don't think we have any dirt to bury this keyboard. Well, you know what? I'm gonna use some towel to cover it. Rest in peace, Alf. Rest in peace, Alf. You are forever not forgotten. You will not be forgotten. I will pray for you every day. And until I get another Alf SKCM white keyboard, I would not stop playing you. Alf, Matthias, Dell quiet key, also not loud key. And I want you three to help me with this. Mr. Sager, Mr. IBM Maroam, and Mr. Cherry. Okay? Sure. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Good. Great. Oh, wait. Maybe, okay. If Thomas ever see this, I want his help with my keyboard. I don't know how in the world did he get an Alf mechanical keyboard anyway. It's a sad night. I don't know what did I do to kill that Alf keyboard. Well, no, it's simplified Alf, but man, that is only Alf I have at home right now. I don't have that fancy Alf SKCM Blue, SKCM White, SKCL Those, SKCM That. So I'm kind of sad a little bit that my only Alf keyboard dead. And those are not expensive. I pay $150 for those one too. And it's so sad. It stopped working. It lasts shorter than my IBM Model M and my Sega Scorpius. And I'm gonna go bloody angry real quick about the keyboard market. Corsair, F you. Logitech, F you. I still love still silly, not bad. But the Chinese clone, F you too. All of your mechanical keyboard is shittier than my Alf keyboard, Alf switches, Alf SKBM Grey. You I don't know what you're thinking when you use Cherry MX. Come on, is Alf not good for you, gamers? Or even IBM Model M's? Why have to be cherries? They don't even make good cracks. They just use a freaking plastic click jacket, not metal click leaf. And you know what that means when they show Sherry over Alf? Complicated Alf going down and die. And you and literally making a complicated Alf rare. And when I go to Goodwill, get what? They all keyboard they have is shit. All of them are rubber domes from like 2005. Or even newer. None of them are from 1990s. Not get Omiki. No Dell AT101, which they lasted until 2001. Yeah, they don't even have a Dell AT101. What the hell? Stop giving me crap keyboard and give me something good at my late Alf recently. I want a decent mechanical keyboard, for God's sakes, not Cherry MX. I want Alf. Don't you understand me? I want Alf. I want Alf SKCM. Not even that clone bullshit from Thai How. I want a real Alf complicated switch. Where the hell are they? I want one. And on eBay they cost like freaking $200. And $700 for leading edge. Ridiculous. I need Alf keyboard. Where is it? I want to type on them forever until I die. You know what? If not Alf, you know what? I want Fujitsu Leaf Spring, okay, too, okay? Good for gaming, because they're linear. Those are even harder than Alf. And guess what? I never gonna get typing on an actual Pro Alf and Leaf Springs. Ever. Because there's some retarded people who think all are junk. You know, I'm pissed off at my work earlier when I found an IBM RM at a dumpster, and they said that one woman said that looked like junk to me. Well, you know what? Junk my ass. Okay, it's a buckling spring, not rubber domes. That just pissed me off, but at least I got it free. Thankfully for the IBM Model M. Look, I have to use that shit until I got until I found a white Alf. Now I don't have IBM Model M, but I want to try different keyboard. I want Alf. And in the city of Tucson, there's no Alf at all. I don't see Alf at Goodwill. It pissed me off. Alf is rare here. You won't find good vintage mechanical keyboard in Tucson, not whatsoever, unless you go to Washington with their REPC store. Can't believe I killed Alf mechanical keyboard. God, those things are rare. And I killed it, and I don't have money. And where am I gonna be making money now? I'm on a different world right now. Anyway, I want you to see this funeral again. Okay, so you know, to me, if that Alf keyboard die, it literally feels like I'm losing my best friend or something. This mechanical keyboard is my best friend. Those project Dell's Asashi, also known as Dell Loud Key, also known as Matias before I change the casing. I'm just gonna call Alps keyboard then. Rest in peace. You are literally my best friend when it comes to typing. And you know, you're my friend, not Logitech, not Corsair piece of shit, not Sherry MX bullshit. I love Alps. I love it to death. I wish I wish they can make them new again, just like Sherry. I love you, man. Love your keyboard. Love your product. Love your switches. Love your clicker. Nothing gonna mess Alps and you know what, IBM too. This thing work. This thing can last forever too. That, you know, if you can send me an Alps keyboard, I would be happy. But if you dislike, I'm not gonna be happy because you're disrespecting my favorite keyboard. Not to use that ECI keyboard crap twat. If you can send me a vintage keyboard, I'll be happy, and I'll give you credit for it. Say thanks whatever who sent me a keyboard. Will be in the next review too. But for now, you will get the review done, Mr. Cherry. Alright, I hope I can get something out of this video. Like, subscribe. If you dislike, you are disrespecting my favorite mechanical keyboard. So like, subscribe with bells, and if you have to cry, just cry. Okay? Alright, I'm peace out. I'm gonna get this thing off my head before I become a monster.